I saw the train coming for me with the force of 1,000,000 marching. Train coming, but I believe in trains coming. I felt the eyes of so many, the whispers and shouts about my belief in us. I believe in us. I see the cloaks on the judges, flaws in the judgments, beast in the dungeon. But don't scare me, don't scare me. Don't scare me. And I'll say it on a mountain, say it out in public, hold a press conference to speak about my freedom. My freedom. Just us, looking upon a city of time was soaring. Just us, standing our ground in a crowd of lions roaring. Just us, I won't be held, I won't back down no more. Just us, freedom. Just us, freedom. I flew away this morning. What if I ran away and never came back? Oh no. And all of the fame is nothing. It's all a game and the gladiator just won. Just a game. And I see cloaks on the judges, flaws in the judgments, beasts in the dungeon. Don't bring scare to me. No, no. Don't scare me. And I'll say it on a mountain, say it out in public, hold my head high. I must speak about my freedom. My freedom. Just looking upon a city of time.